Yes, it's true. You can earn up to $35,000 per month with Reels on Facebook with their new bonus program. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can, and also why I actually like using Facebook Reels compared to some other programs. You're gonna like this and you're not gonna want to miss this. Insider tips, people. Let's talk. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angel. I'm a super diversified content creator sharing behind the scenes of being a creator as well as helping you along the way. So Facebook is introducing Reels to its platform, which is just short form videos similar to TikTok. Many creators had kind of migrated away from Facebook to platforms like TikTok and YouTube and Amazon Live and so on. So Facebook decided to change up some things. To get creators back to their platform, Facebook has introduced a new bonus program where you can earn up to $35,000 per month making Reels. So I do have a personal contact with Facebook. I've spoken with them on the phone, and last year Facebook outright asked me, what does it take to get creators like yourself back to our platform? And my response was 100% honest, you guys. I said my attention goes to what's gonna pay my bills. Which is true because as a full-time content creator, my whole family works with me. So our attention goes and we prioritize what's gonna maximize our income. Even when TikTok started, they pay creators like myself to post TikToks and create TikToks. So my first 60 plus TikToks was sponsored by TikTok. They paid me to give them attention to post on their platform because at that time my attention was not on TikTok. So TikTok was smart and they knew if to get creators attention, hey, we'll pay you. We won't keep it all to ourselves. We will share it with you. When I tell you the Facebook Reels program is not fake news, you may have seen it, but you may not know anybody in the program. I'm in the program and I can vouch for it. That told me before getting off the phone call that Facebook was investing over $1 billion back into creators and to be on the watch for more ways to make money on the platform. Sure enough, a few months later, Instagram and now Facebook introduced the Reels bonus program where creators can get paid for the views on their Reels. But here's a secret, both the programs as of today, filming this, are invite only programs. I was in the Instagram program first, got that invite a while ago. Actually, I got that first and then I never joined it and then they sent it again. And then with Facebook, I'd heard of it. I saw it in the news. I saw it on their blog because I follow their blog a lot. And I will leave a link to Facebook blog links where they post and talk about this a lot, you guys. I really highly recommend you guys follow their blogs. Instagram have a blog, Facebook has a blog, and they literally keep it updated, the new features of the platform and what's made for creators. Because I, have personal contacts, I reached out. I was like, hey, I heard you guys got this new program. Can I get in on it? And sure enough, they're like, we're gonna personally send you over to the program. I did get an invite a few weeks later, which is awesome. So I do like that. I would definitely say them providing you a personal contact. I honestly, you guys, I don't know if it's once you hit a certain number of followers or a certain status or point or something. I have no idea. I just know they reached out one day, maybe a year, 2 years ago, and became my personal contact. And I have personal contacts now for about 3 or 4 platforms, which is really good. I just wish I had one for YouTube, which I don't, and I have 2 YouTube channels, so it'd be great to have one. Anyway, but it is nice to have. So I technically got the invite by knowing someone, but I do know with Instagram I just got it through my app. I'm gonna tell you guys 2 reasons why I'm really liking the Facebook Reels program, and then I'm gonna go into the requirements for it. So stay with me. You're gonna like this and you're not gonna want to miss this. Insider tips, people. One reason I really love the Facebook Reels program is because, you guys, this is the only platform where you can link in your caption. Did you hear me? You can put your links and they are hyperlinked in your caption. When I tell you, that is like incredible, because no other platform besides YouTube now, but in their short form videos, reels, TikToks, and those, your links are not hyperlinked. So with Facebook though, you can put your links. If you're doing a video on your product or an affiliate product or whatever, you can link it. I've even linked, and this is rare because I don't usually link my YouTube videos on Facebook as a whole. I talked about that in the past for the reason as why. But in Reels, I actually did a short form video of my YouTube video, and I said the full video is on my YouTube and linked my YouTube, and it has not hurt my views. Interesting, because Reels is a whole different program, so we'll see if down the line adding YouTube links hurts your page or not, but in past years it did. But in Reels it doesn't seem to yet, because the videos don't perform the same as all my videos. So really cool, you can hyperlink. So that means you can sell products, you can sell courses, you can sell stuff, you can send people to your blog, you can push traffic. That is like amazing. It's incredible, you guys. Don't sleep on that. That's real estate where you can get extra eyes where you want them to go, even outside of Facebook. So I love that the links are hyperlinked in the caption. Now Instagram did let you put links on Instagram TVs, but they have not converted that into Reels yet. I don't know will they, if so, or when, but unfortunately your Reel links are not hyperlinked. Now here's my reason too that I also am really liking Facebook Reels, because their bonus program can be very lucrative. Let me say that. So I unfortunately cannot give you guys the exact details of my terms with them because we are under non-disclosure, unfortunately, but I can definitely say they have opened the door for you to make a lot of money. And compared to the other platforms, and I did a video comparing how much I make with TikTok, I kind of compared, you know, apples to oranges with that program. But I would definitely say of all the programs, YouTube Shorts included, Facebook Reels you can make the most money with. Well, I can only speak for myself, so I do appreciate that fact. And the views per 1,000 views seems to be relatively high compared to all the platforms. I really like that. So I have the potential to make a lot more money with Facebook Reels than I do with any of the short form video platforms, even long form videos too. So those are the two reasons why I'm really liking the program and why I'm liking Facebook Reels right now. And like I said, I can only speak for this moment in time, you guys. A year down the road, 2 years down the road, I don't know what I'd be liking. The platforms probably would change, but I'm just speaking as of right now. Okay, so let's go into the program requirements. One, you do have to have 1,000 views on your videos within a 30-day period. Two, your reels also have to be owned by you. So that means you gotta have your right to the content. You have to own it. It has to be your content. You also have to comply with Facebook's monetization policy. You know, all the platforms have their policies, so you do have to comply with those. You also have to have a public page, which is your business page or fan page. It cannot be your private page, you guys. We're not talking about private personal pages. We're talking about public pages, whether it's a public figure, any type of fan page, whatever, but it has to be a business page. Also, these reels cannot be cross-promoted from Instagram. What I mean by that is when you post reels on Instagram, they give you this option. Do you want to also post this reel to Facebook? If you do that, that reel that you cross promote on Facebook will not count to your Facebook Reels bonuses. Now, you can post the same video. I definitely do that. You just don't cross promote it through the Instagram app, if that makes sense. Make sure you upload it to Facebook Reels program, and then you can upload it also to Instagram Reels. And a huge one, your reels cannot be watermarked, people. Do not. Hear me when I tell you this. Do not take your TikToks and repost the same TikTok with TikTok watermarks on your Instagram and Facebook. You will not get credit. Those will not count for views into the bonus program, and the platforms and algorithms do not like them anymore. I think when they first started, it wasn't a big deal, but now it's a big deal, and they would push your content down below everything else if you got that watermark on there. Do not do that, okay? Find an outside editing program, which is what I do. So now, once you're accepted into the program, you will have to set up your bank account information so you can get paid. Let me give you a couple notes about the Reels bonus program. One, you have 30 days to reach the bonus. So again, it's based on views, and you have 30 days to get that monthly bonus amount. You know, whatever they offer you, you have 30 days to reach it. 2, you have to reach $100 threshold to get paid, you know. So if you don't reach $100 in that month, let's say you make $20, you got to keep waiting until you hit that $100 threshold for it to be paid out. And another note is that you won't get paid until 30 days after that period. So, you know, if the period was February, you won't get paid that till likely the end of March. So keep those notes in mind. I'm really loving the Facebook Reels bonus program right now. You can go start building your Facebook page and keep Facebook on your radar. My biggest tip, stay diversified, okay? You know, a lot of creators don't even know about all of these bonus programs and ways to make money on the platforms because they're only on 1 or 2 platforms. And if you've been with me on this channel for a while, you have heard this 1,010 times. I always preach, be diversified no matter what. You never know what's gonna pay the bills the next month, okay? You cannot put all your eggs in 1 or 2 baskets as a content creator. I was previously a lawyer and an accountant, so you know, I never ever put all my eggs in one next one. Even when I was in law, I had about 5 to 8 sources of incomes at all times. So I'm still the same way. Diversify, get on multiple platforms because each one of them may randomly throw out money and you want to be right there to get that money, right? So that's my little piece of advice. Here's a pro tip. You guys tell me all the time, how are you on all these platforms? Because if you didn't know, yes, I'm on YouTube. I have 2 YouTube channels. You guys, this is my second one. I have a lifestyle channel. I'm on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Amazon Live. And am I missing anything? I'm on practically all the platforms. And I actually have a pretty large following on every platform. So how am I able to manage it all? Y'all ask me all the time, Angel, how do you do it? How do you do it? How do you do it? And I've said this so many times. I've done videos. Go watch the videos too. I repurpose a lot. I talked about that. I cross-post, I repurpose, I do all of that across different platforms. So you guys can go check out those videos where I go more into detail about that. And if you guys are not aware of all the ways you can make money on social media, you need to watch the video you see on screen. I share with you tons of ways to make money with social media. So make sure to head over there and watch those videos. And if you want to see my repurposing videos, I got some playlists right here for you.